What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to do some portrait photography with the Nikon D200. I will have 4 lenses to test out. It's going to be the 35mm 1.8 GTX, the Tamron 45 1.8, the Nikon 50 1.8G, the Nikon 85 1.8G. I just want to say major thanks to Penny.
Hi guys!
And I just want to say thanks to her again just for coming out and taking photos with me and testing out this Nikon D200 with the 4 lenses. I'll have links below where you can purchase these lenses as well. And you know what, let's just get straight to it and see what the D200 can do. So right now I have on the 35 1.8 GTX on the D200. Bad idea, you can see my sweat. Anyways, so those are the shots with the 35. I'm gonna switch to the 50 1.8G. All good. 1, 2, 3. A little bit more towards the edge. Actually move a little bit more this way. I have on the Tamron 45 1.8 with the D200. Let's see how it looks. That was with the 45. I'm gonna switch on to the 85 1.8G. I'll get a full body shot. Hey everyone, so that was the 4 lenses I used on the Nikon D200. As you can see, for its age, it's actually still really good. All you have to do is just get those lenses and put it on and really enjoy taking pictures. I have links below where you can purchase these 4 lenses and the Nikon D200 and the memory card, because this camera uses only CF cards. I'll have a link below where you can watch my review on the Nikon D200 as well. And like I said, I really appreciate everyone watching. If you have this D200 and you're still doing portraits with, comment below and let me know what you think about it too, because I'm really curious to know if the D200s are still out there, because it's a really old camera, but it's built like a tank. And like I said, I really want to say thanks to Penny for coming out.
Thanks for having me.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I really appreciate you all watching too. See ya.